Are you preparing for GATE CSE 2027 and still wasting time searching for notes, lectures, feds, and study material from different sources? Then this video is exactly what you need. Today, I am showing a complete GATE computer science study package that includes handwritten notes, PDF notes, subject-wise lectures, and complete syllabus coverage for GATE CSE 2027. No need to join multiple Telegram channels. No need to save hundreds of YouTube playlists. No need to spend months making notes from scratch. Everything is already organized and ready to use. Let's see what subjects are included. Engineering mathematics, discrete mathematics, data structures, algorithms, computer organization and architecture, digital logic, operating systems, database management systems, theory of computation, compiler design, computer networks, software engineering, computer graphics, artificial intelligence and machine learning, and other important GATE CSE topics. As you can see on the screen, these are high-quality handwritten notes. The notes are clean, easy to read, and specially prepared for competitive exam preparation. Important concepts, formulas, shortcuts, and exam-oriented content are properly covered. Most students spend months watching lectures and creating notes. But the problem is that note-making itself consumes a huge amount of time. Instead of spending months writing notes, you can directly start learning, revising, and solving questions. This helps you complete the syllabus much faster. Another major advantage is revision. Every GATE aspirant knows that revision is the key to a good rank, but revision becomes difficult when your study material is scattered across different websites, apps, folders, and channels. One subject is on YouTube. Another is on Telegram. Some notes are saved in Drive. Some are stored in your gallery. And during exam time, everything becomes confusing. This study material solves that problem. All subjects are organized in one place. You can quickly access notes, revise concepts, and save valuable time. Whether you are preparing for GATE CSE 2027, GATE CSE 2028, semester exams, placements, technical interviews, SU exams, SHECH admissions, or computer science fundamentals, this material can be extremely useful. Many toppers follow a simple formula: quality study material, consistent revision, and regular practice. This package helps you with the first two steps immediately. Now let's talk about the price. A complete collection of handwritten notes, feds, and lectures usually costs much more. But currently, this complete GATE CSE study material is available for just $149. Yes, only $149. If you are serious about your preparation and want to save time while covering the syllabus efficiently, this is one of the most affordable resources available. Start preparing today. Complete your syllabus faster, revise smarter, and improve your chances of scoring well in GATE CSE. If you're interested, check the details below and get instant access. Don't wait until the last few months before the exam. The earlier you start, the better your preparation will be. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends preparing for GATE Computer Science. Best of luck for your GATE CSE 2027 preparation and future success.